Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Today's video is going to be all about the turkey neck. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the turkey neck. The part of the neck that has its own little dance as you move around, you laugh, it moves with you, you turn quickly and it's still spraying in the breeze. Anyway, it is going to be about this part. It's about the whole neck, but mainly it is about the area that starts to sag with age, and this can start to happen as early as your 40s, ladies. So I'm going to suggest that get busy on your neck now. This video is going to feature a new product by Dr. Brandt, and it is his new neck sculpting cream, and I have been using it about 5.5 weeks now, and I'm going to insert pictures so you can see for yourself if it's working for me or not. But I thought what I would do in today's video is I would go ahead and show you how to use it. It is used morning and night, and it is used with a gouache tool, and perhaps some of you are very familiar with this. I've had a set of these for a very long time, and you can use them to really help to massage. They firm, they do lymphatic draining, but with Dr. Brandt, they are used to help really manipulate the cream into the skin. And I should first mention that this cream was sent to me by Dr. Brandt. However, this is not a sponsored video. The cream was sent to me. So we get started, I thought I would just briefly touch on some of the ingredients in this product. It does have a volume reduction technology, slim sculpting complex, and this ingredient helps to lower fat storage, and that's what happens. We just get a little bit of fat collection there with the skin sagging. And another thing, there are procedures you can have in office, and this is being compared to Kybella. And Kybella is an injection. My doctor has actually, the guy that does my Botox, has suggested for months that I need Kybella in my neck, and I also need it in the fatty deposits right here. But I'm very afraid of things like that. There is significant bruising with it, so if I ever did have it done, y'all would know because you would see it in my videos. So I don't know, I've just been really afraid of it, so I have declined it every time he has suggested it. But this product is being compared to it. Of course, the outcome of this product will probably not be as significant as you would see with an actual in-office procedure. But let's face it, not everybody has the money to go and have in-office, and not everybody wants to go that route. So Dr. Brandt is there to the rescue for us. So let's see, this is a patented technology from Jenna Stein, the biologically active form of the most abundant soy, isoflavin. So this has lipogenesis, which prevents new formation of fat in cells. It has lipolysis, which allows cells to boost metabolism to release more fatty acids to decrease cell volume. It stimulates collagen production, so it's made of genistein, caffeine, carnitine, and spirulina. It also has what's called Regu Slim. This is a drastic reduction in thickness of adipose tissue in 56 days. It puts fat cells on a diet, triggers lipolysis in fat cells to reduce the storage and increase the burning of excess fat in cells. It also has pea extract, and this provides an improved elasticity effect that starts in as little as 30 minutes. It has a significant increase in moisturization. It has a hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, and that attracts moisture, and it retains up to 1,000 times its weight. And then it has panthenol, which is also known as B5 vitamin, and it gently and deeply penetrates the skin, delivering moisture and hydration, helping to lock in and decrease dryness. The jar is 1.7 ounce, and it retails for $95. So let's get started on it. Now, the way I've been doing it, I just take my little tool and I pick up some of the cream on it, and I'm just going to swipe it on. So this way you don't have to stick your hands in the jar, and you always clean this off when you're done anyway. So we're going to go ahead and just distribute the cream all over the neck, and then I do take my finger and make sure I get it all off, and I'm just going to massage it. I'm not massaging it all the way in because you want the slip. Okay, so you take the tool and you're just going to run it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is how I've been doing it. And then just move to the next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 6 is just a number I choose because that's what I've always used when doing the Gauche facial. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you're going to turn your tool to see the little grooves, and you're going to go up the middle of the throat, and then when you get there, you're just going to go back and forth a little bit, and then go back over it. Be gentle. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then I turn the tool back around. Now this is just something added I do. And I go up underneath and I do the same thing with a slight wiggle. And I do that 3 times. And then I move to the next section and just lightly move back and forth with it. And we're going to go to the other side. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to go ahead to the next section. 1, 2, and 3. And I just go back and I do a little bit extra right here. I start it right here. Just wiggle it slightly. Move it up a little bit more. Wiggle it slightly. And a little bit more. And just wiggle it slightly. And then all you're going to do is take your hands and just massage it in, always working in an upward motion. Notice I'm going up and sweeping away because you don't want to drag this down. You want to make sure you're always working up. Same here. Work up and just massage the rest of the cream into your neck. And that would be it, my friends. That is how you use it. So now I'm going to insert some pictures here for you, and I'm going to go from week 1 to week 2, and I'm just going to compare each one, and then the last photo I'm going to share with you will be 1 to the last week of me using it, so you can see when I started and when I finished. Okay, so and unfortunately, I did not, when I was in Florida, I forgot to take 1 week of pictures. So the set of pictures is going to show you the week I started compared to just this morning, which would be this is my 5th week of using it, my 5th week. Now it says you can see results within 8 weeks. I think I'm already seeing slight changes in that area, but I'm letting you be the judge, okay? Below in the comment section if you feel you see a change in my neck, the turkey gobbler, from the first week to the final week. I'm going to continue to use it, obviously, because I still have quite a bit of the cream left. And the texture of the cream itself is a medium weight, and it has no fragrance, ladies, no fragrance at all. And I think I mentioned that it's $95 for the 1.7 ounce jar. So I have pulled up Dr. Brandt's website, and I wanted to read just a little bit more on this product. And it says it reduces skin's fatty appearance below the chin, moisturizes and replenishes skin for a tighter feel. Now, I'm not sure that I can say that I have witnessed a tighter feel, but I will say that the skin on my neck is changing, and it's even just the texture of the skin is changing. My skin actually, it looks smoother and it feels smoother to me. When I touch it is when I really notice it. And it says that it supports circulation for a more lifted appearance, and it said after just 1 use it increases skin's hydration by 104%. And I do feel that it really is a great moisturizer. And it says after 4 weeks of use, 100% showed improvement in their skin elasticity. For me, I would have to say the texture of my skin has truly changed on my neck. I am starting to see age. All my age, as I have mentioned in previous videos, is always below, it's like below my nose. That's where I see all my age, and it is a hereditary thing in my family. We all have jowls, and we all have the dreaded turkey neck. So I was very excited to join in this little campaign they had going, and I am really looking forward to the end results. And it says also, after 8 weeks of use, 82% reported that skin looked toned and firmed. So there you have it. And the benefits, it said it moisturizes, it replaces face contour, it's fragrance free, and it minimizes lines and wrinkles. I've changed my little setup here because the mirror always got in the way here, and I'd have to go down like this to see myself. So when you see me looking over here, I just put a mirror here so that I can do my tutorials this way, and also to really take a look at what I'm talking about, because sometimes, you know, I forget. Anyway, I do think that I see a visible change in the texture of my skin. All right, I have about maybe a month left of this. It does say that replacement would be 2 to 3 months of the jar. But if it works, I don't care. All right, I will be using it. All right, my friends, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you've been using it. It is available on drbrandt.com. I'm sure that it will end up in Sephora and perhaps a couple of other stores. But for now, I am looking at the website, and it is available for sale. There are no reviews because the product is new. So this is the only review you can go by. All right, my friends, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We're living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. BISOUS.